Are you looking for a performance-focused smartwatch built for serious runners and active lifestyles? The Amazfit Cheetah Pro combines a sleek, sporty design with precision GPS, advanced training tools, and 24/7 health monitoring to help you train smarter and go farther. In this video, we'll quickly explore what the Amazfit Cheetah Pro brings to the table and how it performs in real-world workouts and daily use. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Amazfit Cheetah Pro, magnetic charging base, and user manual. Want to grab the Amazfit Cheetah Pro for Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. Key features. The Amazfit Cheetah Pro revolutionizes smartwatch positioning with its cutting-edge dual-band GPS antenna, which picks up the same type of circularly polarized signals that all satellites transmit. The watch accurately tracks your exercise heart rate and heart rate zones to help you understand the details of your performance. Set alerts for abnormally high exercise heart rates to stay safe while you run. Your intelligently crafted training schedule will adjust week to week based on your performance. And to help you avoid overtraining, Zepp Coach will provide scientific guidance as you progress, letting you know when you're ready to step things up or when to take a rest. Supports 150+ sports modes, including outdoor running, indoor running, treadmill, track run, triathlon, and a lot of non-running sports modes. Create training templates in the Zepp app and sync them to the watch, so you can stick to a workout routine that helps you improve every session. Along with the accurate heart rate tracking provided by the watch's sensor, the Zepp OS provides the powerful Bluetooth connectivity needed to connect the watch to workout devices like heart rate belts. Specifications. How to charge. Attach the magnetic charging head to the back of the watch. Connect the charger to a USB power source and make sure the watch is properly aligned. Charging will start automatically. Once the battery is fully charged, disconnect the charger. How to pair. Download the Zepp app from the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, then install it. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Locate the side buttons on your Amazfit Cheetah Pro and press and hold the power button until the Amazfit logo appears. Once the watch turns on, allow it to complete the startup process. Open the Zepp app on your smartphone and tap Add Device. When Amazfit Cheetah Pro appears, tap to connect and confirm the pairing code. Agree to the required terms and wait while the watch syncs and completes setup. After pairing, select your wrist preference and button orientation in the Zepp app. Review and customize features such as activity tracking, sleep monitoring, and heart rate guidance. You can also adjust snore detection, backups, and fall detection later in the app. Safety precautions. Avoid extreme temperature. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Amazfit Cheetah Pro. See you in the next one.